Case number 1, Hill versus Scott.
My name is Lamone Hill. I'm suing Delencia Scott for $1,500 for a car that couldn't even pass a emission test.
My name is Delancey Scott, and I did not sell a lemon to Mr. Hill.
Atlanta police officer Lamone Hill needed a reliable car for his wife.
The vehicle looked good, it ran good. I didn't have the vehicle checked out by a mechanic. I just pretty much went off work. As we drove the vehicle home, the vehicle started to have gray, dark smoke coming out the tailpipe.
He says because the car won't pass inspection, it's worthless.
Yeah, I feel that she misrepresented the vehicle.
He's suing Delancey for a full refund.
And she can take her vehicle with her.
Delancey says a car that's almost 20 years old is going to need a little work.
The only thing that was wrong with the car when he went to go get it at the emissions was the emission person told him that they needed a catalytic converter. So that's only $200.
She insists Officer Hill got what he paid for.
In my opinion, the car is good. I don't like the fact that I'm being sued over the car if he know that he bought the car as is, as it states in the paperwork, as is.
Was this policeman taken for a ride? The litigants have been sworn in. Judge Maz is ready to hear the case inside the plaintiff's garage.
All those who wish to be heard, street court is now in session. Judge Maz presiding.
Thank you, Mo.
This is case number 252, Hill versus Scott.
All right, Lamone, you're the plaintiff in this case. You're suing for $1,500. I understand somewhere in 2009 you decided that you needed a car for your wife
Yes,
to
sir.
drive to and from work.
Yes.
How is it you come in contact with the defendant?
She was a great friend with a partner of mine, and he referred me to her. She was selling a great car.
Okay, she was selling a great car.
That's what I was told.
Okay, so did a bell go off in your head right away there? Great car. All right, and Delancey, when did you sell this car to this police officer?
412.
When did you pick up the car?
I picked up the car actually possibly in May, correct? Yeah.
Okay, and you told my producer that he picked up the car in August.
August 12, 2009.
No. I'm not disputing that.
Okay.
When did he pick up the car and take it out of your possession? August 12, 2009?
August 12, 2009.
When did
No.
you sign over the title?
August 8th, 11th, 2009.
No.
Yeah.
All right, let me just get back then. Let me just backtrack a little. You have a mutual friend. She tells you she has a 1991 Acura Legend.
Uh-huh.
All right, do you come and look at the car?
Yes, we came and looked at the car.
You
inspected.
both? Both
Yes.
of you?
Both.
Okay, you test drove it twice?
Yes, sir. It sounded good. It sounded like a real good car, nice and running.
Did you have a mechanic look at it?
No, sir.
Did you drive it to a mechanic?
No, sir.
All right, so now, somewhere in May, you come and pick up the car. She says you pick up the car in August. That's a big dispute, officer.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
All right, and you are?
Tanisha Hill.
How long you married?
We've been married since May
Second.
of '09.
Oh, newlyweds. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, you were with him during this whole transaction?
Yes.
All right, and when did he pick up the car?
We picked up the car in May. It was shortly after we got married, probably a week or so after we got married.
All right, Delancey, you're saying August. They're saying May. It's May, June, July, August. That's a very big discrepancy, guys. I want to know when this car was picked up.
This is what she brought me a bill of sale over.
Officer, are you familiar with that bill of sale?
Yes,
And it does say 8/11 on it?
Yes.
Can you pass this to him, please? Thank you.
Yes.
I saw it.
Delencia did write the wrong date. on
Yeah,
the
we
bill
wrote
of
the wrong
sale.
date on the bill.
No,
Who's
we did.
we?
Delencia wrote the wrong date on there.
Who signed
Not
it?
us. Me. When we picked up the car, he signed it prior. When we gave her the $1,000, that's when that agreement was assigned. She just put the wrong date on there.
And you signed it with the wrong date on it.
I haven't signed anything.
Yeah.
His signature is on there and her
I signed
signature.
it, and
He actually signed it prior to her signing it.
yes.
He signed it prior because he had to work.
You
That's
signed the
my
document
reason.
without a date on it?
I signed the document, and she took it to finish
Officer,
the
did you
process.
sign a
of it.
document without a date on it?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
All it had was her signature, or it had no signature?
It had no signature on
So
it.
you signed it first,
I signed it first.
and
yes.
then she signed it outside your presence,
Yes, in the presence of my wife.
and put down the wrong
Wrong
date in
date.
your presence?
Yes.
Do you care to respond to that right now?
I mean, I wouldn't have put no wrong date on anything. in August, the wrong date.
Well, look, this is what I'm stuck with, okay? I'm stuck with the fact that I have a litigant that says he picked up the car maybe in May. He doesn't know when. And I have a defendant that's telling me that the car was picked up in August. So where I come from, that smells like a scam to me. Right? That sounds like a scam, right, officer? Yes. I mean, right on its face. I'm looking at this paperwork last night. I'm hemorrhaging. Because not only do I have documents that are inconsistent, I have a Atlanta police officer whom I have nothing but respect for, signing documents that have inaccurate time, places, and occurrences.